Okay, well I don't have my skeleton housing for the GoPro yet. I tried duct taping it to my forehead, but that didn't work very well. It's August 20th, and we've got 2 babies in the yard, and a kitty cat that wants a mouse, but that's not going to happen. And I'm going to pour the mice out, see what happens. Sometimes they just zoom right on by and grab one as a takeout. Come on, guys. Come on. Come on. Here we go. Just like that. I'll have mine to go, please. Come on, buddy. Come on, let's go. Come on. Come on, bud. He says I'm scared. Come on, let's go. And the little broadwing's in the yard too, but he really stays back when the owls are in the yard. They bully him. Yay! I'm a happy bird, Mom. Oh, that's lovely. It's a Daytona 500 right out here.